Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me share with you the best way to avoid Cash App fees. Alright, it's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time at all. Let's just jump straight into it. Alright, so the best way to avoid Cash App fees is to understand when they apply and of course to plan transactions around them. Standard peer-to-peer transfer are free, while optional instant deposits usually carry a small fee. Choosing standard deposits whenever timing allows eliminates unnecessary cost. You want to avoid frequent small instant withdrawals as fees add up quickly over time. When withdrawing cash, plan fewer, larger withdrawals instead of smaller ones. Review each transaction screen carefully before confirming that you can opt out of paid features. Fee avoidance on Cash App is less about restrictions, and of course it is more about patience and awareness. A few intentional choices can significantly reduce long-term cost. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.